I love Everything Bagel. Well, almost. It's time to cook with Susan Beck, and I'm going to show you my variation on Everything Bagel. So the thing I don't care for about Everything Bagel is the salt just overpowers everything else. I mean, salt is the least good for us in all the ingredients in here, and it's the number one ingredient. So I prefer to make my own. So what goes into Everything Bagel? A tablespoon of sesame seeds and a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of onion powder, and then we're going to do a half a tablespoon of black sesame seeds. So I'm just going to fill this only halfway. Half a tablespoon of poppy seeds and half a tablespoon, or really even a little less, of the salt. Just give that a stir. You can store it in an old spice jar or even your Everything Bagel jar, which is what I do. And now you have a beautiful Everything Bagel to suit your taste. Now, if you don't like the onion in it, leave the onion powder out or the onion flakes out. You can adjust this and put in whatever you would like. If you don't want to purchase sesame seeds that are both white and black, it's really for prettiness. The sesame seeds don't taste that much different when they're different colors, but mix it up and make it your own. It's so simple to make bagel seasoning at home.